I was working on the platform, working in the facility in the plant, offloading the rail car. It was already reported that it had issues with it, but never was reported to my crew, never was reported to our company. We was just working as normal. I walked on that platform and it just gave out on me. As soon as it gave out on me, all I can remember was just screaming because I felt a pop in my knee. Found out that my ACL was all the way torn and that I lost 99% of my meniscus and my cartilage was also torn also. Took a whole day, went to 3 other law firms, and one guy, he said, oh, we can get this worked out in 30 days. And it was like selling a car. They would not let me leave. They was like, nah, just sign this paper. I had a friend that referred me to Jonathan. I called, got an appointment. But the moment I walked into Jonathan's office, man, I went straight into his room like we had already met, like he knew who I was. Man, we sat down, I sat on his couch, we talked. He didn't pull out no paperwork. He asked me about me. That right there made me way more comfortable with what I was dealing with and who I was dealing with. I didn't know how I was gonna make it, how I was gonna get through this, where it was gonna come from. Man, Jonathan was a phone call away, like I went to high school with him. I never had to speak to someone else. I never had to go around no one else. Me and Jonathan had a relationship. He knew exactly what was gonna happen before it happened. I mean, it was to the T. It made me feel like I was gonna win regardless. So Jonathan would tell me, say, I got a phone call, $250,000, they want to go ahead and settle. And this was a year before me going into trial. And my exact words to Jonathan, I didn't hesitate, I didn't think, but I said no. And he said, are you sure? I said, I am sure, man. I said, hey, man, we gonna win.
The lawyer that was the defense lawyer, I had dealt with him many times. He had decided that the case was worth no more than $250,000. We worked very hard on that case. We did a bunch of focus groups on the case, so we know how the issues were gonna turn out at trial. We picked a jury, we tried the case. The jury awarded Kenneth around $1.1 million. So it was a big return over what the insurance company had valued the case.
If you come into this law firm, they will take care of you before trial and after trial. I won my case in 2017, it's 2021. Me and John talk, go out to eat. I'm able to talk to him and let him know how my family doing. But we really became a family, we really became good friends. So I mean, this has been a home and a place for me. Anybody that needs to come here, I would recommend them to come to this place.